Hi everyone, welcome to this class where we are going to use the grep file to search files. Okay, let's get started. Let's open the terminal. Okay, I'm in the computing directory. First, let's create a file called colors.txt. Fantastic. And let's write down some colors: red, yellow, blue, and purple. Fantastic. And we can double check the content of this file. There it is: red, yellow, blue, and purple. And now to exit Q. Fantastic. Okay, and now let's say we want to find the word blue in this file. We want to search for the word blue. For that we type grep, G-E-R-P, and then quotation marks, and then blue goes inside, and then the name of the file. So we have grep blue in quotation marks followed by the name of the file, and then enter, and that tells us that the word blue is in that file. I'm going to expand this. Yes, so as you can see, it gives us the word blue. It finds the word blue in file colors.txt. Let's do the same for the word red. Let's check whether the word red is in this file. Oops, my spelling. Sorry. Grep red, then red in quotation marks, and then space, the name of the file, and then enter, and there it is. It finds the word red. As you can see in this file, we only have 4 values, so it might not be that useful or handy, but let's say you are working in a data file that has 1 million of data points, and you want to find a specific data point. It will be more efficient and faster if you just use the command line, the grep command in this case. Okay, fantastic. What about if we want to find the number in which, the line number in which a specific word is? For that we use the -rn. So we type grep again, and then -rn, and then the word that we want to find. Let's go with purple now, and then space, and then same thing, name of file. We have, as you can see, grep -rn. So this should give us the line number. The n should give us line number specifically, and then word that we want to find followed by the name of the file. And now press enter, and there it is. So it says that in the file colors.txt, in line 4 we have the word purple, and we can double check this using the last command, and yes, as we can see, purple is in line 4. 1 2 3 4. Great. Let's do another example to make sure that we understand this concept well. So grep -rn and red, oh yes, ESB in quotation marks, and then space, and then name of the file, and then enter, and it gives us colors.txt 1, line number 1, then word red. Fantastic. One last thing that we are going to go through is, so I'm going to run the previous command, grep rn and then red. Now I'm going to change this lowercase r to uppercase, and then enter, and as you can see, it doesn't return anything at all because the grep command is case sensitive. So if we want to make sure that it will return a value without being taking into account the case of the letter, we add an I. So dash rn and then I, and then double quotes. Let's go again with red, and then the name of the file, and then enter. And then as you can see, it returns now the name of the file. Yeah, so the I means you don't care about the case, you just want the grep to return file. Okay, fantastic. And now we can do one last example. We can do grep. Let's say if we want, so instead of searching for in a specific file, we can search for in all directory. So for that we type grep dash rni and then double quotes. Let's see what color we should go for now. Let's go for yellow. We haven't used yellow yet. Yellow. And I want, so what I'm telling the shell to search for the word yellow in the current directory. The dot means current directory, and I want him to return the number, line number, and I don't care about the case. And then enter, and as we can see, it returns. It says that in the current directory we have a file called colors.txt, and in line number 2 we have the word, if it did find the word yellow. And we can double check quickly, and there it is, yellow. And now to exit this, Q. Fantastic. I hope you did find the grep, you did find this class useful, you did learn something new. The grep command, yes, is very useful, especially if you are working in projects, in natural language processing projects, natural language processing, NLP, where usually you have thousands or even millions of data points. Thank you for listening. Let's move on to the next class, where we are going to learn about the rm command, remove a file command. Thank you. See you next class. Goodbye.